The crypto top headlines covered in this video are: Tether credits USDT growth surge to ETF excitement, emerging markets. Next, IMF head says CBDCs can replace cash, help financial inclusion. Also, SEC under pressure, BlackRock and NASDAQ urge approval of spot Ethereum ETF. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there's no clickbait thumbnails or titles, and no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. We are a new channel here on YouTube, and would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline: Tether credits USDT growth surge to ETF excitement, emerging markets. Tether's USDT added at least $20 billion to its market capitalization in 2023, while rival stablecoin USDC lost the same amount so far this year. Tether, the largest stablecoin by market value, has been breaking new records throughout 2023, with its market capitalization adding at least $20 billion so far this year. According to data from the blockchain data provider Whale Alert, Tether has minted 22.75 billion USDT so far this year, with at least 4 billion USDT being issued in the past 4 weeks. After starting the year with a market cap of roughly $66 billion, Tether USDT has been steadily gaining momentum, with its market value surpassing $80 billion in April 2023. On November 14th, the USDT market cap briefly hit $87 billion, according to the data from CoinGecko. According to a spokesperson for Tether, the ongoing USDT growth should be attributed to 2 key reasons, one being the continued market excitement around the possible approval of a spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund. There's a growing interest in Bitcoin from institutional investors, driven by the excitement around the possibility of a Bitcoin ETF, a Tether representative said. Tether's record-breaking growth has also been fueled by growing demand in emerging markets, according to the company's spokesperson. The USDT stablecoin has been increasingly establishing itself as the de facto digital dollar for all emerging markets and developing countries, the representative said, adding, "There are in fact many countries suffering from the devaluation of their natural currencies compared to the dollar. Hence, all communities living in those countries are seeking protection. USDT is the most trusted asset for them." Citing public information from the Brazilian government, Tether said that USDT accounts for 80% of all crypto transactions in Brazil. This pattern is similar to tens of other countries, the representative stated. While Tether has been seeing this surge, some major stablecoins, like Circle's USD coin, have failed to gain much momentum in 2023. After peaking at $55 billion in June of 2022, USDC market capitalization has gradually dropped and continued to decline in 2023. Since January 2023, USDC has lost $20 billion in market value, or about 45%. At the time of writing, USDC's market cap stands at $24 billion, according to CoinGecko. Our next top headline: IMF head says CBDCs can replace cash, help financial inclusion. International Monetary Fund Managing Director Kristalina Georgieva urged the public sector to keep preparing to deploy central bank digital currencies. During her opening speech at the Singapore FinTech Festival, International Monetary Fund, or IMF, Managing Director Kristalina Georgieva urged the public sector to keep preparing to deploy central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, and related payment platforms in the future. Georgieva expressed her optimism about the implementation of CBDCs worldwide, but said, "We have not yet reached the land, and there is still much uncertainty. Adoption of CBDCs is nowhere close, but about 60% of countries are exploring them in some form today." Georgieva believes CBDCs can replace cash, offer resilience in advanced economies, and improve financial inclusion in underbanked communities. According to Georgieva, CBDCs can coexist with private money, being its safe and low-cost alternative. Georgieva also highlighted the importance of technological infrastructure in CBDC projects, personal data protection, and even the possible role of artificial intelligence in enhancing the national digital currencies. She put a particular emphasis on cross-border payment support. To the extent CBDCs are deployed, they must be built to facilitate cross-border payments, which are at present expensive, slow, and available to few. Again, we must start this work today so we don't have to backpedal tomorrow. The IMF head presented the organization's CBDC virtual handbook and noted the Bank for International Settlements' role in the public sector's digital money experiments. The IMF has recently been active in its analysis of necessary crypto regulations. On September 29th, it proposed a crypto risk assessment matrix for countries to spot indicators and triggers of potential risks in the sector. The IMF's synthesis paper, jointly prepared with the Financial Stability Board, was unanimously adopted by G20 finance ministers and central bank governors in October. Our next top headline, SEC under pressure, BlackRock and NASDAQ urge approval of spot Ethereum ETF. The Ethereum network received one of its largest boosts in credibility after the leading fund manager with about $9 trillion in assets under management, BlackRock, filed for an Ether-based spot exchange-traded fund with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. According to the confirmed filing, BlackRock named the spot ETF that will be listed on the NASDAQ exchange iShares Ethereum Trust. Consequently, the underlying Ether value closed above $2,000 for the first time since the rally induced by the Shanghai upgrade earlier this year, which enabled the withdrawal of staked Ether from the beacon chain. According to the latest market data, Ethereum price has gained about 31% in the past 4 weeks to trade around $2,050 on Tuesday. U.S. SEC overwhelmed by crypto institutional demand. The U.S. SEC, under the leadership of Chair Gary Gensler, has been opposing the cryptocurrency market as a new investment class, especially since the implosion of the FTX and Alameda Research. In the past year, the U.S. SEC has taken the fight against the crypto industry to the courts, which has turned the best for the nascent industry. Moreover, the U.S. SEC lost the case against Grayscale Investments, which paved the way for not only a spot Bitcoin ETF, but also for other prominent digital assets like Ethereum. As a result, market experts argue that it is only a matter of time before the U.S. SEC approves all the Bitcoin and Ethereum spot ETFs applied. According to Nate Geraci, the president of the ETF Store Inc., the U.S. SEC could approve spot Bitcoin ETF this week amid the potential U.S. government shutdown. The U.S. SEC is fast running short of time to review the spot ETFs, which has seen the speculations of an imminent approval significantly rise. On Monday, a rogue investor is believed to have applied for the listing of XRP spot ETF on the ICIS Delaware website, resulting in an XRP price spike, thus profiting in the leverage market. Ethereum market picture. The Ethereum bulls are currently working on the resistance level of around $2,136 to ensure a further uptrend in the coming weeks. As of this report, Ethereum had an average 24-hour trading volume of about $16.5 billion and a market cap of approximately $245 billion. However, the on-chain analytic platform Look On-Chain has spotted several top-rated Ethereum whales preparing to dump on the market, thus suggesting possible market correction in the near term. Nonetheless, the Ethereum correction could be short-lived as the macro crypto bear market is believed to be behind, and the bull run will materialize in the next 2 years. So this concludes our top headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.